Hi guys, my name's Sean from Concept Chemicals and welcome to today's edition of Debunking. So today we've got some questions in. So the first question is, Fred?
Diluting isn't important.
By diluting and dilution, I am assuming we're talking about wheel cleaners, traffic film removers, shampoos, that type of thing. And the simple answer to it is yes. When you look at traffic film removers, on your labelling you will have a recommended dilution rate. Now, these are not set in stone. These are primarily to get you to closer to the appropriate dilution rate for the task in hand, without actually going around the houses to try and get to it. Zirconite Nano shampoo and conditioner. We've got other types of products in the other brands that we actually manufacture. This particular one is a shampoo which contains drying agents. So when you look at traffic film removers and these types of products, you can actually underdose or overdose them. And by overdosing or underdosing, you actually affect the product's performance. So this particular one, if we don't get the dilution rate correct, because this one is designed to dry itself and reduce water spotting, then by overdosing or underdosing, we have a similar effect. It doesn't actually start to dry itself. You can actually use a traffic film remover too concentrated. And what that does, it actually stops the product from working. So underdosing, you're not going to get the cleaning function. Overdosing, you're not, because you can get a lot of soap residues to the surface area. So the simple answer to your question, is dilution rate important? Does dilution rate make a difference? Yes, it does. If you like it, hit the like button. If you've got any comments about dilution rates, put them in the comments section below. And failing that, we'll see you next time for another edition of Debunking.